Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Thank you for joining me in this series, Understanding Your Personal Transformation. And I wanted to mention that this personal transformation will demand and require certain things of you. Of course, I'll mention a few, but these are not the only limited. But the ones that I really see that are obvious are trusting the process, understanding who you are, whose you are, remembering that you are a miracle. Your birth process is a miracle. He knew you. God knew you in the womb before you were born. The plan for you was predestined. So there is already a plan unfolding on your behalf, So the transformation is going to demand for you to understand these things as part of your confidence building, so that in the future, as other transformation processes come on, you have a strength and an anchor that, okay, I'm part of God's kingdom. Okay, I'm a miracle. There is a predestined plan that is at hand. Then you also remember that it's going to require you to surrender. One day I was going through something and I was like, trusting this divine plan is like you surrender beyond surrender, and you surrender a little more. Because just when you think you've let go of control and you're allowing God to control the process and everything and is unfolding, something happens where you realize you were still holding on onto your beliefs. You are still holding on onto maybe that relationship that ended 10 years ago, but you still, you're still trying to make it work, yet it's not supposed to be working. So it's like you go in and the transformation process will make you go in and clean house, and make sure if there are any hooks that are hiding in you, everything is untangled. There is that quantum entanglement where we have relationships that are so entangled and they are full of chaos, and you don't even know how you got into them, and then they take you years to untangle yourself, untangle your feelings out of there, rebuild your life. All that will get cleaned up. So the transformation process will also encourage you to really learn to follow your instincts and learn the tone, the voice of how you communicate with God. Everyone finds it different. Some get it through signs, others it's just a knowing, others through dreams. Whichever process works for you, that's fine. But transformation is a real demanding process, spiritually, physically, emotionally, and it should be a process that we should all embrace because it's for the betterment. You always want to build on the rock. You don't want to build on sand. Otherwise, whatever you're building will crumble. The thing is, before you start building, the old has to go. All the things that don't belong have to go. Then you start building. But that process of dismantling and letting go of things can be painful, scary, fearful, and you have to maintain the vision that all things work together for the good. All things work together for the good. So I encourage you to create affirmations for yourself. Things that remind you of who you are, whose you are, and why you're going through this process of personal transformation. It's not for everybody. And not everybody is interested because it's too hard. But the reward is awesome. And if you're listening to me for sure you're having a personal transformation. Because remember, I told you we are energy, we are vibration, we are frequency. Yes, we are vibing at the same level. So there is no way you would find me or this video if a transformation is not happening. So I know you're somewhere in a transformation, and congratulations. You're right on your way to becoming an eagle. Oh, you're already an eagle flying high. You're just polishing up a few things. And this is a process of remembering, because you already came in fully equipped with everything you need. Fully equipped. But life and all the distractions and the programming, we have to untangle and unlearn many things in order to be okay with the new that is coming in, and embrace it and actually thrive with it. Because the end goal for real is to have a good earth experience, a fulfilling earth experience, an earth experience where we are fruitful and we've multiplied, we've used our gifts, we've shared them everywhere, we've found our life's work and the pure and best expression of our gift. We've given it there, emptied ourselves like a drink offering, like St. Paul said. You know, you've given it all. And when it's your time to go to heaven, you're like, okay, I'm ready. You know, I've done everything I can do here on earth. But you have to engage yourself, and the transformation will demand many things of you. And if you're going through this process, you're already ready, you're fully equipped, and you have the ability. So stay in faith, continue believing, let go of things that don't work anymore, add the things that are working, seek help if necessary, continue following your heart because it has truth in it. You know, continue on, be steadfast, immovable. So, as always, this is Mother Eagle. Hope this helps. Visit mothereagleinspires.com for all my books. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.